Mr. Mahabaleshwar, great to have you on ET Now. Thank you so much for taking the time out. I was just going through your numbers, and your NII has seen a very significant uptake, even when we consider the numbers on a sequential basis. Help our viewers and your shareholders understand what part of your book is currently floating and what's aided this kind of performance.
Thank you. Thanks for that observation. Yes, as rightly pointed out by you, it is a result of hard work of our team for the last 3 years. So that is why the Q2 FY23 result indicates all-round progress and is mainly fueled by our holistic transformation journey, that is KBL Vikas. And it is also noteworthy that we have been able to contain the cost of resources and maximize the yield on our assets. That is precisely the reason why our NII, as pointed out by you, has grown by 26%. And mainly this was on account of the sustainable increase in the core business. And our cost of deposit, it remained at a lower level. And as a result, the spread has also improved further to 4.99% from 4.27% a year back. Added to that, a very important thing during this period is that our NPA is significantly coming down. You might have seen that the gross non-performing asset, which was at 3.31%, GNPA, which was at 4.52% about a year back. Now it is at 3.36%. Similarly, the NNPA has also significantly improved to 1.72% from the earlier 2.85%. And the PCR, very important thing is, it is almost touching 80%, now at 79.97%.
Right.
As a result, the net profit has significantly gone up by about 227.70%. to about 411.63. This is the highest.
It absolutely has, Mr. Mahabaleshwar. And, that's exactly the point that I wanted to pick up on since you mentioned it. Because this is probably, I think, your largest quarterly profit that you've posted. How sustainable is the profit as well as the NII performance?
Yeah, correct. See, from the point of sustainability, not only this particular quarter we have recorded the highest ever net profit, for the half year also, it is the highest ever 525.81. In that process, we have even surpassed the last year full profit of 507.99 crores. We were also analyzing the reason for this significant growth. Of course, as I said, which is the hard work of the last many years. It is mainly on account of our improved earnings, improved asset quality, healthy growth of advances, and basically the cost containment and overall enhancement in all the efficiency parameters. Going forward, that is what I was commenting, the health of the portfolio is improving, not only from the point of view of reducing the non-performing assets, and also from the point of view of the SMA2. The SMA2, which was at 1,240.36 crores, has now reduced to 795.82 crores. And we have been very closely monitoring the growth of that is monitoring the advances portfolio. So I should say that we have almost come out of the negative surprises. So since last 1 year, I have been highlighting on this. So negative surprises are not there. So going forward, definitely it is all positive surprise and market's delight.
Right. Mr. Mahabaleshwar, when we spoke with you in the month of July, you did mention that you had provided for a large account in the first quarter and the same had already been recovered in July. Tell us a little bit about the quantum of this amount and the kind of impact that it's had on your results this time.
Yeah, if you look into the half-yearly things, let's see, we could have, accounted that during the first quarter. Because of the timing gap, I didn't took that call. We went by the Iraq norms. So we have accounted that during the second quarter. In spite of that, if you look into the 6 months profit, So last year, 6 months was 231.69 crores. This year is 525.81 crores. The only issue is whether it was accounted in the first quarter or the second quarter. Otherwise, there is not much difference.
So taking forward from that, and if we can also get a sense of your anticipation going forward for the credit growth demand, we're hearing comments coming in from 13% to 15%. What is it looking like for you at the bank?
Yeah, see, credit is growing at a healthy rate. Of course, the YOY growth in advances is at 10.18%. So we are confident of further strengthening it, and it could be somewhere around 15%. My main areas of growth has been the agriculture, which has grown at a rate of 7.53%. MSMEs grew by 6.06%. And the gold loans, of course, we have taken a lot of initiatives. Here, the gold loan growth is yet to come, but it is showing at a moderate growth of 3%. Lease rental discount is also growing at a rate of 15.29%. NBFC has also contributed significantly. So we will continue to focus on the retail, MSME, and the mid-corporates, where we have already digitalized our loan underwriting process. And that is why I'm confident that without compromising the quality of the advances portfolio, we should be able to get at least 15% growth going forward as per our earlier estimates.
All right, Mr. Mahabaleshwara, I really appreciate your time and so glad you could join us first on ET Now, and thank you for discussing your numbers.